Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft account using Authenticator step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, tap on the app icon to launch it. At the welcome screen, tap Get Started. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will require your email and password. Next, you'll see an option to enable notifications for the app. It's recommended to allow notifications for a smoother experience. After signing in, tap on Add Account in the main menu. Select Work or School account or Personal account, depending on your needs. You will be prompted to scan a QR code or enter a code manually. To get the QR code, go to the Microsoft service that you want to enable two-step verification for. Log into your account and navigate to the security settings. Look for an option that says Security Info or Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to set up your Authenticator. Once you receive the QR code, point your mobile device's camera at it. The app will recognize the code and add the account automatically. You'll now see your account listed in the Microsoft Authenticator app. For added security, set up a backup method, such as a phone number. Finally, test the setup by trying to log into your Microsoft account. You should receive a notification to approve the login attempt. Tap Approve in the Authenticator app to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully set up authentication with your Microsoft account using Authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.